Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. There's a nice video of a Transporter T6.1. We've installed a DMX9720XDS into this using all the KENWOOD full fitting kit, which is approved by Volkswagen. This has got Apple CarPlay wirelessly and wired, as we have here. We've got a wire plugged in the factory socket here. This one's a charging one, and that one's for CarPlay and Android Auto if you wanted to use it via a wire. But like I say, it does do wireless as well. This has also got a camera installed into this, so when you put it into reverse, it comes up. There we are. This has got also it's got DAB, FM, and a USB input. It's also got HDMI input that you can have, that's on the back of the unit. We sometimes run a cable if the customer wants it into the glove box. Microphone fits up there. All the steering wheel controls still work, and you can go into the menu for the vehicle by pressing the voice button 5 times, and then you can go through the menu using the arrows up and down. And it's a really nice clean solution. It solves all the issues that the Volkswagen factory unit has. If you'd like to have this done, please give us a call on 01962 886 900 or visit our website or Facebook page. Thanks for watching.